Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. My name is Bharat Natrayan. Now we are in a 25th video of Next.js series. In this video, I'm gonna explain about API routing. API is nothing but application programming interface. It is used to establish the communication between two devices. For example, a browser will communicate with the server and it will make the request to the server. In response, server will provide the response to the client or browser. In generic applications, these servers are we have to provide to the application externally. Like this, the application will have external servers. To overcome these situation, we can use Next.js. Next.js is a in Next.js we don't need to use the external servers. Next.js is the full stack framework, which means we can create a front end and back end work in a same Next.js. We don't need to write extra code externally for the backend. So with this and Next.js we can create our own endpoints with customization also. Next, to achieving the data routing, in Next.js we call them as a API routing. We can create our own solution within this API. This API folder will be present within the pages folder. A file inside the pages/API will consider as a API endpoint and it will not consider as a page. Here we have our Next.js application. Here we have the pages inside API inside hello. I'm gonna access this one and /API. I'm going to navigate toward that API hello. You can see the data which is present here. You can see here the function has been created and the data has been already provided here. Likewise, we can create n number of endpoints here to make our data. We can get and post the data inside API also. It will not bundled in the client side. It will bundled only in the server side. Because of this bundling, it will not increase the load in the client side or browser. Next, with this API, we can hide or mask the URL. For example, your end user want to hide the source of the data or URL. If the source has been exposed to the hackers, then it will cause damage to the company. Then it may cause damage to the company, so it is harmful for them. To achieve this masking, like if the source URL is this, we can mask this with this URL, or we can make changes to the URL. The main core of the idea is we can mask the URL and source. In API routing, we have two parameters, request and response. With these two, request and a response, we can make a more number of customization and we can mention the conditions which we want to mention to the Next.js application. So before before closing this video, I want to ask a simple question to you. What is API? What is the use of API? So guys, please provide your solution in the comment section. By commenting your solution, you can evaluate yourself how effectively you have learned this concept. So we have reached the final part of this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button and give the comments and subscribe the YouTube channel and get the updates regularly.